It started at the gate, a hug, a prayer, and the assembly ground, trying to look serious even when we weren't. Those first steps in the corridor, the lectures, the scribbled notes, the silent gists, note taking, front row, back row, it didn't matter. Until the science lab made the world make sense. Red house, blue house, the interhouse glory. Hostel nights, SS3 pressure, just us and the lamplight. WAEC, the prayer before the pen hits the paper. Graduation, 6 years, one legacy. Preserve the secondary school journey, the YBA by Nouvellesoft, your digital yearbook app.